You make me feel so.
And what's up, scrappers? So in this video what we're going to do is do a teardown on an industrial meat grinder, I think. Some sort of grinder anyway. You can see in here it's all old, rusty. So yeah, I'm going to do a teardown, see what their parts are worth. Yeah, and go from there. So guys, done a little teardown on the grinder, and basically all we have is one giant motor. It's got this plastic bit on there, but I just can't get that off. You need to undo this bolt in here, which is just rusted. It's just nearly impossible to get open. Got a big bit of steel, which I guess is cast, but we'll just class it as steel, and a little tiny bit of cable. So the motor on its own, just how it is worth £3.46. So that's a nice hefty size motor. It's massive if you can compare it to your hand. It's a big old motor. So and it's heavy. Right, so then cable at 160 because it is singles basically. This bit I'll just put a knife down there and that'll just slide them bits out. There we go, so the cables are worth 9p. And then a bit of steel at 10p a kilo is worth 11p. Like I say, it might be worth a bit more because I guess you can class it as cast, but to be honest, I'll just chuck it in with my steel. Not worth the hassle unless we got a load of it. So yeah, all in the UK you'll get £3.66 once you take it apart. In America you'll get $4.46. In Canada you'll get $5.98, and in Australia you'll get £5.87. So yeah, they're not too bad. Took me about 10 minutes. So you can imagine if you could do 10 minutes, 6 of them an hour, you're looking at about £18 an hour if you can get hold of enough of them to keep you going. So yeah, if you can get loads of them, definitely worth doing. Alright, keep scrapping guys.